welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on an incredible journey through the world of industrial machines. We'll showcase 157 impressive machines operating at peak efficiency, from construction giants to cutting-edge manufacturing tools. These machines represent the pinnacle of modern engineering and innovation. Let's dive in. We start with powerful excavators, essential for construction and mining. Caterpillar 6015B, known for its high performance and reliability, perfect for heavy-duty operations. Komatsu PC800011, a massive machine that excels in moving large quantities of earth efficiently. Hitachi X80006, renowned for its digging power and operational efficiency, making it a giant in the industry. Volvo EC950F, offers superior performance and fuel efficiency, ideal for large-scale projects. Liebherr R9800, one of the most powerful hydraulic excavators, perfect for demanding mining tasks. Next, we have towering cranes, the giants of construction sites. Liebherr LTM11200-9.1, a marvel of engineering with incredible lifting capacity and reach. Terex Demag CC88001, known for its strength and versatility in handling massive loads. Manitowoc 31000, features the innovative Variable Position Counterweight (VPC) system for enhanced stability. Zoomlion ZCC9800W, a top choice for wind turbine installations, combining strength with precision. Sany SCC86000TM, one of the world's largest crawler cranes, designed for heavy-duty lifting. Bulldozers are the backbone of earth moving, and these machines lead the way in performance and durability. Caterpillar D11T, a powerful machine equipped with advanced technology for optimal performance. Komatsu D575A3, the world's largest bulldozer, capable of handling the toughest terrains. John Deere 1050K, known for its exceptional pushing power and robust build. Liebherr PR776, offers maximum efficiency with advanced technology and a powerful engine. Shantui SD90, a heavy-duty bulldozer designed for large-scale mining and construction projects. Loaders play a crucial role in construction and mining, and these machines are at the top of their game. Caterpillar 992K, designed for maximum productivity with its powerful engine and large bucket capacity. Komatsu WA1200-6, one of the largest wheel loaders, built for heavy-duty operations. L350H, known for its advanced technology and reliability in demanding environments. John Deere 944K offers superior fuel efficiency and powerful performance. Liebherr L586 X-Power combines power with low fuel consumption, ideal for various loading tasks. Haul trucks are essential for transporting heavy loads, and these machines excel in efficiency. Caterpillar 797F, a legend in the mining industry, with enormous load capacity and robust design. Komatsu 980E4, known for its durability and ability to handle harsh mining conditions. Liebherr T284 combines power and advanced technology for exceptional haul truck performance. Belaz 75710, the world's largest haul truck, capable of carrying massive loads. Hitachi EH5000AC3 offers high efficiency and reliability in the toughest mining environments. Manufacturing robots are revolutionizing production lines with their precision and efficiency. ABB IRB 8700, a versatile industrial robot designed for heavy payloads and high-speed operations. Fanuc M2000EA, known for its powerful lifting capacity and flexibility. KUKA KR1000 Titan, one of the strongest robots, capable of handling the most demanding tasks. Yaskawa Motoman MH24 offers high speed and precision in various manufacturing processes.